Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing your device and enrolling immediately. Sign in with your Apple ID that has two-factor authentication. This ties your device to the program. Once signed in, back up to iCloud or to your Mac via Finder. This protects you if you need to revert. Make sure the iPhone is charged above 50% and has enough free space. These precautions prevent installation failures. After that, register the device in the beta program so the profile can be delivered to settings. Next, download and install the beta profile. Choose the profile delivered to settings and tap Install. You may need to restart. Once done, make sure you're on Wi-Fi, then open Settings, General, Software Update. The beta build appears like any update. Tap Download and Install. The phone will verify and update automatically. Read the release notes first so you know what changes or issues to expect. Make sure the device stays plugged in and do not interrupt the update process. Once the update finishes, verify the build number in Settings, General, so you know which beta you're running. Sign into apps and check critical workflows. Some apps may need updates. Use the Feedback app to report bugs. This helps developers and improves stability. If you need to revert, remove the beta profile and restore to the latest public release from a backup or via recovery mode. If the device gets stuck, use recovery mode on a Mac or PC to restore from your backup. This is the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.